How to fix Safari can't open page because address is invalid. So here is how to fix it. First of all you have to do is check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If on Wi-Fi, restart your router or open another website to test connectivity as well. Then go back to the home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the apps. Then scroll and tap on the Safari option available in there. Inside Safari, you will have to scroll again and look for the clear history and website data and tap on it and confirm to clear the history. Then force close Safari and reopen it. This removes browsing history, cookies, and cache data. Then go back to the settings again. Then tap on the general and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on the reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.